Come on, Nick. Go on, go out there. Who's there? Go on, go out there. Who's out there? Yeah?
Yeah.
You had a good time?
Yes.
Is it hard to walk? Have a fire. And we have snow. Oh, do we have snow? We put out some bird seed in the bird feeder. They've been lining up all day there for that one little feeder. Okay, well, I'm getting the battery light.
I like it.
Well, this may be our last movie. There's Deanna. And there's Matt. And there's Dan. By flashlight. Life support is down to a bare minimal. This movie may be the last record in our journal. I'm on hold for Duke Power since last night, I think. Oh, I'm dropping the phone. Okay, sayonara. This is your reporter.